up, y'all? Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nia and this is Sensational Design, and it has been a minute, like almost a year, but I'm back here to stay. And today I'm making over my sister's apartment. Well, not really making over, she actually has a really good base. She just needs some help accessorizing and pulling it all together, and I'm bringing y'all with me.
So y'all already know the deal. When you're starting any design projects, any styling project, you clear the room of everything that's in there. I will be leaving the furniture where it is because honestly, it's already in the best layout.
So we're going to get started with the rug. That's one of my favorite things to begin with because generally it has a lot of colors you can pull from. So for me, this is kind of the starting point, and then a lot of the accessories I based off of this. My color palette we chose for this was based off of a piece of artwork she got from Decenio, and we're just kind of building off of that. So major design tip is that the front legs of your furniture should be touching your rug. If not, it is too small and it kind of looks like a poster stamp and very unfinished. So don't do that. Y'all done did all that work, and I think I want the rug to go the other way. But I think it needs to go this way instead of this way.
One thing I've learned is that things that look good on paper or that look good in your mind don't always work out while you're executing your plan. And so in the midst of a project, you might got to switch it up a little bit.
So I'm going to put together a table that's actually going to go behind the sofa. And then this acts as a place to layer decor and or to sit and drink when you're sitting on the sofa and you don't want to reach for the coffee table. One of the biggest mistakes people make is pushing all their furniture against the wall, when actually you can bring it up to make a more intimate space.
So like I said, I had got this table to go behind the sofa because I'm like, oh, I can really layer it up back here, add some depth, a little dimension. You can sit drinks back here, charge your phone because it does have a charge port to this table, but I didn't measure the length of the sofa. So the table was the wrong size. Not only was it like the wrong length, it was the wrong height. And it is very important to measure rooms and furniture to make sure things are of proper scale and proportion. Like I know better and didn't do better. Here I am walking around trying to make this work, and I know it's not going to work. Like, girl, cut it out. So I ended up deciding to push this up against this short wall over here, and it ended up being really cute. So I rode with it. Now that all the main items are in place, let's move on to some actual styling.
Those can be hard. There's so many colors, shapes, sizes, textures, you name it. Anything that's going to give you a problem, pillows can do it for you. So my favorite combination and go-to is to have a solid, a pattern, and something that offers texture. You have these three combinations and you can't go wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to start styling this bookcase here. And I kind of like to start
start at the bottom and work my way up. Or really, I like to start anywhere, but I kind of already have an idea of what I want at the bottom, so I'm going to start there. And then, like I said, I like to start with the bigger items and then work my way to and fill in the spaces with the smaller ones and just kind of move things around again. So I actually got quite a few books, and the bindings are all different colors, and I really don't want to add this much color to the bookshelf. So instead I'm going to turn it so that we see the pages, and it makes it just a little more subtle, you still get a hint of color, but it's not overpowering. There's a few rules in design I like to use whenever I'm styling shelves or bookcases. I'll throw a few up on the screen, but if you guys would like an in-depth video on shelf styling, how I use these tips and tricks, and my thought processes behind it, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to upload a video for you. So when styling coffee tables, I feel like there's a few items that you must have. One is books. Two, something living or faux, because everyone can take care of plants. And then a bowl, an interesting object of some sort, and a candle. So I'm going to start off with the books. The audio got a little weird right here. So basically what's going on is I'm using the books to create height, groupings, and corral items together. So I'm moving them around, stacking them, trying to coordinate sizes to see how I like it. I ended up just going with this one stack. And then I introduced this bust that also acts as a vase. What I wasn't liking right here was the dark on dark tone. So I introduced this white book to create some contrast between the vase and the table. Then I start adding in these faux florals that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I really like these tulips. They were cute. Now on camera it doesn't look so bad, but in person that leaf looked fake. I mean, just cheap and fake. So I ended up removing all of those, and I liked it a lot better. I have like a box, which could be good for like hiding remotes and things. And then I also have like this, what is it? Magnifying. I have this magnifying glass, and I also think this would be really cute. And I just want to sit that. And then I think I'm going to add some color. I also had these beads. And then, I mean, that could be really cute. I like the beads, but I ultimately wanted to add color to this vignette. And I decided that this bowl was too similar in scale to the vase, so I went with something with a different profile, which was these taper candle holders and these rust colored taper candles that tied back into the pillows and other accents in the house. Alright, so last but not least, the last area of the day, we're going to style up this area that we never had any plans to do, but since this table didn't work out behind the sofa and we have it, I figured let's take advantage of the opportunity, so we're going to style this up. By the time I got all the final pieces in place, I was losing too much daylight to shoot the reveal, so I went ahead and called it a night. So here's a little reminder of what it looked like before we got started. And now it's time for If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you're notified whenever I upload. It also helps my channel so much and pushes this video out to others who enjoy design content as well. Until next time, keep living sensationally. Love you guys. Bye.